thanks for coming. We're going to be doing a 2-day journey. I'm going to put it into 2 different parts though, 2 different videos. And here's my little companion. He's ready to get out. All right guys, thanks for coming. We kind of got to hurry. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so might be a lot of nighttime stuff if I can get it filmed right. So, you ready, bud? I think he's ready. Well, hello everybody. Me and this crazy boy, his name's Jobley. We're going to be heading up the mountain soon. A little ways anyway, but yeah, we do got to hurry a little bit. It's getting dark, so thanks for coming, and we'll try to get what we can. This puppy's ready to go. But God bless you guys, and thank you so much for coming. Like and subscribe, they say. Thank you. This pack is a monster too, by the way, because of that guy. Look at this. You ready to go, bud? Hey. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh! Yep. I think right here is going to be the spot, guys. Wait till you see what's behind you. It's pretty. Thanks for coming, guys. All right, guys. Not sure what you can see or not, but yeah, it's really pretty. We did about 1.5 miles probably. Yeah, we had to book it. We're running out of daylight. We got to set up, and yeah, Jobley's enjoying it a lot. But thank you guys so much for coming, and yep, it's my view if you can see it, guys. God bless you, and we'll see you soon. Hey guys. All right, so we're trying to beat the sunlight right now. So I got all my stuff right here, and Jobley's definitely enjoying himself, but before it gets too dark, because I don't know how to do low light film yet, and I don't have the proper lens, so I brought kind of some lights, but before it gets too dark, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who's been watching. You know, I just want to bring hope to people, you know. there's so much darkness going on, you know. I feel like God told me, hey Travis, it's time to move. Do something. I didn't know what that something was. Up until a month and a half ago, I didn't know what to do. I was praying and praying and praying that God, please give me a purpose. I want to be of service somehow. Hello everybody. Hopefully you can see me. I got my headlamp on. I got some paper birch. If you guys are ever camping, out and about and doing it solo or with somebody, but not at a regular campsite, and if you see some paper birch, grab some. It is a phenomenal fire starter. So yeah, we're going to hopefully start this fire up, and yeah, me and the puppy had to hurry up and get everything ready. So let's hope we can get this fire started. And as always, I got the cotton balls. This time though, I'm using a lighter. Get some cotton balls and just wrap Vaseline all around them. It's messy when you're doing it, but I promise it's one of the best things. Honestly, how I learned this is when I was homeless. When I was homeless, a guy named Will, long story short, but he showed me this. So, thanks, Will. I'm pretty sure he'd be pretty shocked with where I'm at right now. Alright, I'm gonna put this over there. Alright, put the paper birch on top. Alright, let's get these things going. Woo! Yeah, it was a pretty crazy hike. Like I said, I think I'm only a mile and a half in, but there was a lot of footage I was trying to get beforehand. And I knew we had to hike a little bit, so I don't know if the camera's getting that very well, but it's pretty cool. Where is the dog? Well, he is being a wuss. No, he isn't the biggest fan of the fire stuff, so he's actually laying in the tent. Alright. Let's let that build up. I really don't know if you guys can see me yet, but hopefully in post-production I can fix it if you guys can't. But I'm going to back up because it's getting a little hot. It's just so pretty out here, and you know, I come out here and do this to get my mind right. It's a crazy world, and I just want to bring people hope. The best I can, anyway. You know, times are tough. But, you know, through Yeshua, through God, I really hope I can at least bring some peace to some people. You know, there's a cool little Bible verse that I'd like to say real quick. Because we will go through hard times. We all do. It doesn't matter how rich or poor you are. It doesn't. It really doesn't. But I just want to say this. We will go through the hard times, the fiery times, the overwhelming times, but we will never go through them alone, and never without His helpful and guiding hand. This part is out of Isaiah 43:2. When you go through the deep waters, I will be with you. When you go through the rivers of difficulty, you will not drown. When you walk through the fire of oppression, you will not be burnt up. The flames will not consume you. And I'll tell you what, I think that's life. We go through so much. I was an atheist once. I was a Buddhist once. I was this, that, and the other. And like I said, one day I'll tell my story a little bit more. But I came to know that there's only one truth, and that's Yeshua. And I've never been the same since. So before I let you guys go, I got to boil some snow. But this time, we're going to use the fire. So what do? Well, I put it in the fire. Well, actually, I put it right by the coals. Then I get some more snow. And I cover it up. Boom. Yeah, Jobley, he's pretty scared of the fire, so he's in the tent just relaxing. Me and him are gonna go on a little night walk. Alright, really not sure how good you guys can see me, but here's the little poodle head. You know, being scared. But we're gonna go on a little night walk. And I'll try to film some of it, but otherwise I'll see you guys in the morning. And God bless. Well, good morning, everybody. Joel, what are you doing? Go on. Alright. That didn't work out. Job's cold. That's funny. Alright. Well,
I'm not feeling the best, and my wife and son uh, just had a sickness. So hopefully that's not what I'm going through. So it might be a slow going day for me. I don't know. Um, we'll see. We'll see. Ah, good morning, everybody. I feel like poop. I don't know what poop feels like, but that's how I feel. So we're packing up for the day, and he thinks I'm yelling at him, but I'm yelling at the camera. Job, it's too cute, man. Oh, I'm talking to the camera. Yeah, I don't understand it either, buddy. Don't worry about it, bro. Alright, so we're gonna. Joe. Yeah, that thing's weird to me too, man. Alright. Man, I'm trying to pack, and he's like, no, Dad, don't do that. Don't pack. He just crawled right between my legs. Alright, dude. Hey, man, we gotta get ready to go, dude. And another thing, I didn't realize how expensive. I didn't realize how expensive camera stuff was. I'm learning a lot, and I just appreciate the people that are following and walking on this journey with me. You know, I appreciate all of you guys. And so does Job. But yeah, this stuff's expensive. I didn't realize that. You know, I had a dream, and a month and a half ago, I was like, oh, let's follow this dream, and then it started adding up, and I didn't realize, you know, one lens, the lens that I have on that camera, isn't the best of the best. It's only like 400 bucks. That's a lot of money, right? But the proper lens that I need or want is $1,300. That's crazy. This dream is a lot bigger than I thought. That's for sure. But thank you guys. And we're going to continue to pack up. You know, I don't know how much you guys will be able to see, but Joe, come on. Good boy, sit. take every day and run with it. Oh, bud. Love every moment. I'm not feeling very well, but I'm trying to enjoy every moment. It's definitely a struggle, but it's so pretty out here, and I'm trying to appreciate it. Yeah, I gotta turn off the camera, buddy. Get up here. Ugh.